Hey friends, welcome back to TruLuv Designs with TruLuv. I have a confession to make. My sewing space is a mess. Like, you know it's bad when you can't even find your seam ripper anymore. Over the past few weeks, I've been feeling completely uninspired and unmotivated to sew anything. And honestly, I know it's because of this mess. So today, I'm tackling it head on. I'm giving it space to clean up and reset it desperately needs, so I can actually feel excited to create again. Grab your coffee or your project and hang out with me. We're getting this place back in shape. This is what happens when projects pile up, deadlines get hectic, and life happens. But we're fixing it today. Step 1, declutter. If it doesn't belong in here, it's out. And yes, that means the snack wrappers too. I'm going through everything. Thread, scraps, patterns, random notions. Tip number 1, be ruthless. Usually I say if I haven't used it in a year, chances are it's just taking up space. But for fabric, I ask myself, do I still love it enough to sew it right now? If not, I should get rid of it. But do I really? No, because I always still tell myself that I'm going to eventually use it. It's amazing how just clearing out what you don't need instantly makes your space feel lighter. I'm putting all of my cutting tools where they belong. My thread is already organized by color. I'm putting patterns away in their labeled envelopes, and fabric folded so I can see everything at a glance. A tip for organizing your sewing space. Make it as easy to put things away as it is to get them out. If it takes too much effort, you won't do it. Trust me. I also had an idea for project bins for my current work in progress so that everything stays together and doesn't end up spread all over the place like before. I'm scanning my receipt into an app I use called Fetch. Each receipt earns you 25 points. It can be any receipt from a gasoline purchase to a gift card purchase, even for loading money onto your Cash App account. Now, the way to get the big points is each week there are certain items that will earn you bonus points. For instance, this week, a 6-pack of Angel Soft toilet paper may earn you 1,000 points. So when you scan that receipt, you will get 1,025 points. I use this app faithfully and always redeem my points for Amazon gift cards. Next up, actual cleaning. And let me tell you, sewing dust is different. Between fabric lint, thread bits, and pattern paper scraps, it's like glitter. It gets everywhere. So I'm wiping down my cutting table, dusting my machines, vacuuming the floor, and yes, cleaning my iron because she's been through it. Even though it's not the fun part, having a truly clean space makes me feel instantly more energized. Now that everything's clean, it's time to organize. and done. I can't believe how different this feels already. It's like the creative part of my brain just woke up from a nap. I know it sounds dramatic, but cleaning your space can really clear your mind. I'm already getting ideas for what I want to sew next. So that's it. My sewing space is officially reset and ready for some serious making. If you've been feeling stuck, uninspired, or just overwhelmed by your craft space, I highly recommend taking a day to clean and reorganize. You might be surprised at how much it changes your mood. Thanks for hanging out with me while I get my life and my sewing room together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more sewing inspiration, and let me know in the comments what's the messiest part of your sewing space.